Rookie EP loading. Please wait patiently as this will be mind-blowing.
Sleepless Beats.
Welcome, I now pronounce to you Rookie EP made by Gideon. This is his debut EP in his debut year. To those who don't know, Gideon is a local artist from Elliot. So please take your time, relax and enjoy, as this is the beginning of the journey of an upcoming global artist. Thank you.
I'm a rookie, yafika. I'm killing the beat, ndiyahlinza. Them haters will say ngiyatika, never stop, soze ngachika. I'm a rookie, yafika. I'm killing the beat, ndiyahlinza. Them haters will say ngiyatika, never stop, soze ngachika. I believe zofika, ngiyafunga, know you hate me, ngizothula indlela inde, ngizokhula. If yahleka, ngizokhala, keep on working, ngizospan. Never stop this, yadlala, my time is coming. Suwara nfana abanye, sunxa. Welcome, ufikile, ixesha lisondele. Ngithule ngiluphele, ndoyika abayelenge. Lord please ngicela ungikwakhele, nansi uzundimele. Ungazibayeke bahleke, improve for the better. Yay, whenever you're hating on me kubeka. Yay, ngizogyeka, ngizoqhubeka ngicula ngi-rapper. Yay, to my fans, I love you guys forever. Yay, to you all, you guys give me temba. Asoze ndiphole, I'll rap until ngikholwe. Lyrics zikhona, kushota nje ndiraphe. Ndikhuphe ingoma, ugqibe ndi-uploade. Abantu babone, ifeni zindincome. Haters zigeze, zibone ugqibe hleke. Ngingcono ndiyazama, kunoba ndohluleke. Success ayikho free, kumele nyamezele. And face all the pain, ukuze ndiphumelele. I'm a rookie, yafika. I'm killing the beat, ndiyahlinza. Them haters will say ngiyatika, never stop, soze ngachika. I'm a rookie, yafika. I'm killing the beat, ndiyahlinza. Them haters will say ngiyatika, never stop, soze ngachika. Never stop, noba ungageza. Long way, I'm coming liyeza. Look out, bangathi neyeza. Prepared ngandilisotsha, isemini ndifike ngozolwa. Success nanzo ithola, ndiwile naphinde ndavuka. Die hard and body lula. Ndipheka i-boss like pancake. I'm killing the beat in one take. Drop them bars and have faith. Fame is coming your way, the light is coming someday. Relax, I'm cooking something. Mamela, stop the judging. Work hard and keep on fighting. Yeah, I'm a rookie, yafika ndazi nothing. Yeah, ndiyakude, I'm busy making something. Yeah, ndithembe, I'm young and still improving. Yeah, enkosi, bulela you're supporting. I'm a rookie, yafika. I'm killing the beat, ndiyahlinza. Them haters will say ngiyatika, never stop, soze ngachika. I'm a rookie, yafika. I'm killing the beat, ndiyahlinza. Them haters will say ngiyatika, never stop, soze ngachika.